What if I told you that becoming a millionaire has less to do with how smart you are and more to do with how you think?
We've been told for years that wealth belongs to geniuses. High IQ,
Perfect grades, elite universities. But reality tells a very different story, because when you study millionaires closely, you start to notice something surprising. IQ, or intelligence quotient, is often misunderstood. It measures logical reasoning, pattern recognition, and problem-solving ability. But here's the truth. IQ does not measure financial success. Studies of millionaires show something interesting. Most are not geniuses in the traditional sense. In fact, many fall within the average to above average IQ range. If IQ isn't the main driver, what is? It turns out millionaires tend to share something far more powerful. They understand how money works, not just earning it, but multiplying it. They don't panic when markets fall. They don't chase hype. While others spend today, they invest for tomorrow. Some of the world's richest individuals were never top of the class. Why? Because high IQ without discipline is like a fast car with no steering wheel. Success and wealth is less about intelligence and more about behavior. Millionaires build systems, not just income. They focus on learning continuously, managing risk, building assets, avoiding emotional decisions, and most importantly, they think long-term. The biggest misconception is believing, I'm not smart enough to be rich. But wealth is not an IQ exam. It is a decision-making system repeated over time, and that means anyone can learn it. If there is a millionaire IQ, it is not about test scores. It is about discipline when others are emotional, patience when others want speed, learning when others are comfortable. That is the real intelligence of wealth.
if you understood this video, you're already thinking differently. And that is where wealth begins.